Okay. Have a furnace's flame sensor getting dirty in 1 month, 2 months use. Gas pressure. Oxygen is 12%, it's kind of high. Oxygen is 12.5, 10.5. CO2 is 5.78, which is low. Carbon dioxide is low, and the oxygen level is high. Problem is the flame sensor keeps going out, keeps getting dirty in about every 2 months. So I'm going to adjust the level, see what happens. Likewise, increases it. Oxygen level dropped to 9.7. Which is 9.6. Give it a couple of minutes, see if it comes down. So it should read between 7 and 9%. Still high. CO 6.39. CO2, sorry. So CO2 is still low. Oxygen is high a little bit. So I'm going to increase the gas pressure again. Oxygen level is at 9%, 9.0%. I'm going to give it a little bit more, see what happens. Okay, gas pressure is 3.75, 3.74. My oxygen now is at 8.8, so I'm good with that. CO2 is 6.79. I'm good with that. And let's see what happens. Thanks for watching. Bye.